Hey everyone, this is Edward and welcome to my first vlog of this channel. Apparently I was busy right now finishing all my school activities such as this one right here. It's all about Krita an advocacy campaign on protecting environment. Here you can actually make some things like commercials, poster making, and other sorts of medium. I choose to do poster making instead. Uh, Apparently I was about to set up my graphics tablet. This is Huion H420. Yeah, in this vlog, I'm gonna show you what some things I do during the work, or maybe some progress, I guess. I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna switch on-screen recording. Alright, here we are at my screen. Now, before I do my poster making or any sorts of art related projects, what I usually do first is list down all my impressions or questions, like what is this all about, what my artwork or art style should be look like, and etc. And then I usually do random sketches or thumbnails, and last would be gather some reference from the internet such as Google, Pinterest, or sometimes ArtStation. When I heard this phrase, or theme, I guess, preserve the future of humanity, preserve the environment, what pops on my mind first was, so throwing a trash on a proper trash can was a very essential for humanity and for the environment. Now, I want a simple poster with a simple character in it. I picked UPA's art style, the retro art style. They're really fun to draw, and yeah, I like their way they design their characters. They're kind of lovely though. Oh yeah, I forgot that I made advocacy posters, two advocacy posters last school year, and here it is. This one is from first sem, and this one is from second sem. I actually like the background of this one here. Yeah. Alright, now I finally collect all my reference. It's time to do some sketching. Alright, I'm gonna open my Krita now. Okay. Oh, well. Recyclable, everyone.